So that's conclude with our DIY curtain blinds. Yay! For the materials of our project, we will be needing this glue gun, this small metal, magnets, which I just have it, you can use any magnets, and this small suction hook, and of course our cloths. Ako ilalagay yung fabric para maka-hold, kasi as you can see, yung window namin glass siya, so every night wala kaming yung glass shield, ano ba yung tawag nun, but ang ginawa ko is simple cloth lang, itong cloth na to at saka to. So ganito siya, and isi-stick ko siya dun. And isi-stick ko siya dito. And doon, I'm going to stick it here as close as possible. Into this, and I will be making a hole in this area. I decided to use this method kasi hindi siya ganong malaki. I opted to use puncher, pero ito na lang mas madali. Here and here as well. And you're just going to put on the hole right there, and the other side here. Here. Yay! And we have a blinds for our window. Yay! I also placed the plastic hook, and then cover this, and there you go, our blinds for our glass window. And if during the morning, where it's easy for us to remove and then clean again, nice one. But in this area, I placed a metal, then a magnet, so that it will stay in place, just like this. Voila! And here as well, magnet, just glue gun, and then place it there, and it will stay nice. So that's conclude with our DIY curtain blinds. Yay! So if you're not using it after taking it off sa window, pwede nyo rin siyang i-fold. Tapos i-keep nyo sa side para ready na naman the next night.